Hey everybody, welcome to AiDIY. AiDIY.tech is the website. If you want to submit songs, it's AiDIY.tech/contact, and I'll take your considerations for review. This is week 30, and I hope you love this segment. All right, as mentioned, this is week 30, and again, if you want to submit your songs for review, I try to get to as many people as possible. It's AiDIY.tech/contact. If I do accept your song and I want to do it as a feature here, I will ask for an intro as a follow-up. Pay attention to the intros that happen that are being done on these songs. Now, the reason I do these features is to put a highlight on people, give people an opportunity to stand out, especially with the intros. You know, I like to feature things like if the video's awesome, if the song's awesome. If I've been watching this person for a long time and haven't featured their songs, and all of a sudden it's like, they've improved a lot, and I'm like, I just want to highlight that. I do that. Now, keep in mind, the feature is for you to look at that, go to the links that I provide in the description, go to the channels themselves, like, subscribe to those people, definitely leave comments. Now, it's sort of becoming a bit routine maybe. I haven't highlighted the fact of how important it is to go there and leave the comments and subscribe. I think the exact example I got recently was, and I got 12 new subscribers. And you may not think that's a big deal. Maybe someone watching this, it is. It's a huge deal to a lot of people to even get like one comment. And there's some people in here, I know that there's gonna be 5 people guaranteed. I could mention their names, but you'll see them down below. That are always going to go and follow along. But it's very important that you get these, you listen through these little clips that I have, go to the artists, listen to their songs, subscribe to their channels, leave a comment. It's hugely beneficial to them. Now, let me get into the actual features, which is what you got here for. So it's a bit of variety, some really cool animation. The intros themselves are varied. I want you to pay attention to Professor Jackett specifically because this week I did an interview with Professor Jackett, week 30.
Hey everyone, and welcome to Haunted Valkyrie. I'm your hostess Alora, the creator behind these AI-powered music videos and stories you're about to experience. Before AI came along, I never thought of myself as particularly creative when it came to making a music video or telling a short visual story. But these incredible tools have completely changed that. Now I can bring the wildest music videos and stories to life. From headbanging metal anthems to catchy pop tracks about weekend adventures with friends and family. You'll also find a few short stories about my travels across the galaxies and the experiences these travels bring to me, as well as some short animations dipping into the dark and mysterious realm of the supernatural. Haunted Valkyrie is all about exploring what's possible when human ideas meet AI creativity. When I'm not creating these amazing videos, you'll find me chilling with my cats and hanging out with friends. These experiences actually inspire a lot of the party and club scenes you'll see in my videos. I'm also very keen to share my knowledge with others on the processes and systems I use to create these amazing videos. So feel free to ask me anything in the comments, and I'll be happy to share my knowledge and experiences I have accumulated so far on this AI-driven journey. Thanks for stopping by. Your support of the channel is greatly appreciated.
I was scrolling TikTok alone every night till I found my old guitar in the attic last Friday. Posted Vampire Seeks bandmates on the community board. Got 3 DMs from others who were equally bored. We practiced in my crypt, the acoustics were great. Made a group chat, started potting, couldn't wait.
Hey guys, Professor Jackett here. First off, I want to thank Matt and the AiDIY fanbase for featuring Colton Lynch's new song, Outlaw, and a big shout out to Amuse in the Mainframe for guiding me to this amazing channel. Real quick, I'd like to tell you how I got here. A few years ago, I played in a small Ohio rock band called Filth, and though we struggled to keep it going, making music gave me the confidence I couldn't find anywhere else. After the band broke up, I tried going solo without much success. Until I discovered Suno AI last September. That led me to my debut album, Witch Tunes, out just in time for Halloween, followed by Breaking Reality, which I released over the winter. Both albums were packed with visualizers, music videos, and a lot of heart. Still craving something unique, I launched Professor Jackett Music, or PJM, an AI record label featuring original characters like Madison, a tipsy Gen Z pop diva, and Colton Lynch, a Western hip-hop outlaw. Each persona had their own voice, story, and fan interactions, making the music feel personal and alive. AI music has become both my creative outlet and mental reset, and I'd love your support as I keep building this world one song at a time. So if you like this next one, head on over to Professor Jackett Music on YouTube and hit that subscribe button for all future PJM content. But for now, let's check out the new video by the fast rapper, gunslinger himself, the legendary Colton Lynch. This is Outlaw. Hit it, Matt.
Outlaw. Yeah, you hear that sound? That's the spurs on my boots, kicking dust in your town. I'm the one you salute. I'm the outlaw king. Better say it with your chest. This ain't just a stick up, it's a legend in the flesh. Kick the doors down, guns drawn, no delay. I'm the reason why the banks don't open on payday. Gold in the vault, that's mine for the taking. Ain't a soul in this room gonna test my reputation. Y'all see the hat, black brim, no regrets. The cards in my hand ain't been played yet.
Great. If you like this so far and you're really thinking about leaving those comments below, which I hope you do, also subscribe to the channel. Subscribing gives me a bit more credibility. I want to get some really high-end people in the music industry to start taking this seriously and doing interviews with them. If they see that I have like 20,000 subscribers, hopefully they're like, oh, well, yes, it's a benefit to talk to Matt.
Hey, I'm Hart, and I'm so excited to share my song Twice with you. Parts of this song came to me in the middle of the night after a discussion with a good friend about some abusive relationships she had been victim to. Once I had a jumping off point, it took about a week or so to develop the storyline and set it from an outside perspective. Using vivid imagery to set the scene, the song tells the story of a woman finally deciding to save herself from her abuser in the most horrible way and regretting next to nothing, reclaiming the life and freedom that was stolen from her. Justice served at the hands of his victim. With its bluesy, slow country storytelling and a plot that will leave you on the edge of your seat, I hope you'll check out Twice.
He's crashed out in his recliner, TV blaring some old show. If she's quiet and deliberate, he'll never even know how she's throwing all she's ever owned into a leather sack. Some clothes and memories and a small roll of cash. My intellect mind-blowing, I move at my own pace. I walk in every room with purpose, power, and grace. I was always meant to be great, it's inevitable. I became obsessed with my limitless potential. I fell in love with me, seeing my creativity. I have always been a gifted human being. I just needed to be honest. I needed the confidence, realize I'm in abundance and not deal with people's nonsense.
Hello everyone, my channel name is Amelia Isabelle, AI Music, and my channel is based on affirmations and manifestation put into a song. It's all good vibes over here in this establishment.
I tune in, I see, got out of my head and breathe. There is nothing wrong, there is nothing wrong with me. Not every Every thought deserves my attention. I trust my intuition, trust my decisions. I let go of overanalyzing my energy, too precious.
EDM Painey is a music channel we started to share what we love. We're based in the UK, and we create all kinds of electronic music: trance, house, dubstep, chill step. Everything under the EDM umbrella. The main idea behind it is simple. We want to make music that people can feel. Whether someone's looking to relax, escape for a bit, dance, or just clear their head. We try to make tracks that connect with those emotions. It's not about trends or hype for us. It's about creating something honest, something that might make someone stop and feel something, or even just take a breath. Music has always been a way for us to imagine, reflect, or let go. And that's the kind of space we're trying to build here.
Came home with glitter on my teeth, wore my jacket like a cape, no sleeves. Left the chaos in a cab last week. Now I'm vibing in a world that's offbeat. I said no to the spiral, yes to the weird. Got ghosts in my inbox, I left them on red. Turn my panic into pop songs. Yeah, I'm good, don't ask what went wrong.
Cool. Now that you've seen all those, I appreciate you watching. As mentioned previously, go to their channels, subscribe to the channels, leave comments. Please do in mine as well. I'd appreciate that. We're getting at a great point right now. We're getting some great momentum, but look forward to seeing you in week 31.